This is a highly theoretical thought experiment. Human teleportation is not currently possible, but this story is inspired by real research in quantum teleportation, quantum communication, robotics, and computing. Forget spaceships. What if reaching Mars someday didn't require physically traveling there? Scientists have already demonstrated something called quantum teleportation, but it doesn't make people disappear and reappear. Instead, it transfers information about a quantum state using entanglement and classical communication. Imagine this technology advancing alongside powerful quantum computers and extremely precise sensors. Could we eventually scan and reconstruct a human somewhere else? Probably not. Your body contains roughly 10 x² atoms, and capturing enough information to perfectly reconstruct you would be an unimaginable challenge, especially when we consider the complexity of the human brain. But there's another possibility that's much closer to technologies we already have. Instead of teleporting your body, teleport your presence. Future explorers could remain on Earth while controlling advanced humanoid robots on the Moon or Mars. Combine robotics with virtual reality, AI, advanced sensors, and future brain-computer interfaces, and you might see, hear, and interact with another world through a robotic body. You'd still face communication delays because signals cannot exceed the speed of light. But here's where it gets even more interesting. What if we teleported instructions instead of people? Would controlling a robot on Mars feel like actually being there? Imagine robotic factories waiting on Mars. Instead of launching every replacement part from Earth, engineers transmit digital designs. Advanced machines could use Martian resources and supplied materials to manufacture tools, components, and eventually parts of habitats. We're not teleporting matter, we're sending information and rebuilding things at the destination. We already have early pieces of this future: 3D printing, autonomous robots, digital manufacturing, and experiments using resources found beyond Earth. So human teleportation may remain science fiction, but teleporting our information, designs, machines, and presence could become something far more achievable. Would you spend months flying to Mars or explore it through a robotic body? Comment your choice and follow Orion's Imagination Lab for more what-if adventures.